In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage folders in Gmail, a crucial skill for keeping your inbox organized and your emails easy to find. Whether you're inundated with emails daily or just looking to tidy up, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you're well on your way to a more organized inbox. Let's start with the basics. When you log into your Gmail account, you're immediately greeted with your inbox, which might be brimming with unread emails, important messages, and everything in between. The first thing we want to do is create a space for organizing these emails. This is where labels in Gmail come into play. You might be familiar with traditional folders in other email systems, but Gmail uses labels, which function similarly but offer more flexibility. To create a new label, you'll want to look for the Labels section on the left side of your screen. If you're having trouble locating it, it sits right beneath the Compose button and above your list of current labels and categories. Here you'll notice a little plus icon, plus, next to Labels. Clicking on this icon is your first step toward email organization nirvana. Once you've clicked the plus icon, a window will pop up prompting you to name your new label. This step is where your organizational skills can shine. You could create a label for work emails, personal messages, bills, or anything that suits your needs. The key is to choose a name that instantly tells you what type of emails will be found there, making it easier to locate messages in the future. After naming your label, go ahead and click on the Create button. Just like that, you've taken a significant first step towards tidying up your Gmail. But we're not stopping there. Let's put this new label to use. Now, return to your inbox and select an email that you want to move to your new label. You can do this by simply right-clicking on the email in question. A menu will appear with several options, including one for adding a label to the email. Hover over this option and you'll see a list of all your created labels. Find and click on the label you just made. This action essentially files the email away under that label, making it easier to find later and keeping your inbox less cluttered. Remember, the beauty of Gmail labels is that they allow for much flexibility. An email can belong to multiple labels. Unlike the traditional folder system where an email resides in one folder only, it's a helpful feature for emails that fit into several categories. That's it. You've successfully created a label and organized emails under it. With these simple steps, you can create as many labels as you need, helping keep your inbox neat and tidy. You can even nest labels within each other for a hierarchical organization system, adjusting these preferences in the Labels settings. Managing your emails efficiently saves time and frustration, especially if you're dealing with a high volume of messages. Over time, as you continue to sort emails and refine your labels, you'll find that keeping on top of your inbox becomes a much more manageable task. This system not only keeps your digital space tidy, but also streamlines your workflow, ensuring that important emails never slip through the cracks. Before we wrap up, a final tip. Take advantage of Gmail's search capabilities combined with your labels. By typing the label name into the search bar, you can quickly access all emails filed under that label, making email retrieval swift and painless. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and managing folders in Gmail using labels. An organized inbox leads to a more efficient workflow and ultimately a clearer mind. So give your Gmail a little love with some well thought out labels and enjoy the sweet, organized digital life. Happy emailing.